This is going to have an implication on the ED sources rather are saying that
Point in time, an earthquake struck 3 kilometers from Bangladesh. Tremors also felt very strongly in neighboring cities. 4.9 Richter scale magnitude of the earthquake jolts Kolkata in West Bengal. So this is the news that we are getting. 4.9 is the magnitude of the earthquake. Tremors felt in Kolkata, 3 kilometers from Bangladesh. Kolkata and adjoining districts jolted by this 4.9 magnitude of earthquake. So this is a developing story. We are yet to figure out if there were any injuries in this.
बहुत ही भयानक हुआ था 4.9 था तो अभी देखते क्या होता है स्वागता दी
হ্যাঁ আমরা বসে সবাই গল্প করছিলাম তো গল্প করতে করতে হঠাৎ দেখলাম যেন সোফা ধরে কেউ কাঁপিয়ে দিল তো সবাই বসা আছি এত মানে ভয় লেগে গেল তখন বলছে ভূমিকম্প হচ্ছে তিনজনই চিৎকার
All right, so you can listen to the eyewitnesses who are saying that the jolts that were felt by them were pretty strong. This was a 4.9 magnitude of earthquake. All right, I have my colleague Harsha on the phone line. Harsha, we are getting initial reports of an earthquake, the epicenter of which was about 3 kilometers from Bangladesh. What more can you tell us?
The Kulna region in the Bangladesh, 3 kilometers from the exact Dhaka spot. The tremors were very strongly felt in not in the entire South Bangla region. And what we would like to tell you that at particular time we were in the newsroom and we felt the heavy tremor. All the most of the lights they started. The disturbance could clearly be felt. The jolt could clearly be felt in the newsroom and outside as well. In the several places, the people have come outside of their residence. They have clearly stated that they felt a strong tremor. The jolt was so strong, and according to the seismic department, they have clearly stated that the epicenter was the Kulna region and the magnitude was between 4.9 to 5. 5 is the reported magnitude which is being stated by the seismic department, and they have clearly stated that no casualties have been reported till now, but the strong tremors and the jolt was felt by the residents mostly in the South Bengal region, and it was 3 kilometers from the Bangladesh, the exact epicenter. The Dhaka, from Dhaka area, there's the Kulna region where exactly was the epicenter of this earthquake, of this tremor. The epicenter was that particular place, and therefore majorly the South Bangla region has been affected, and most of the people have come out of their residence till now. There have been no casualties reported, no injury reported, none as such of the vehicle damage of anything has been reported by the police officials in Bengal. But yes, the tremors were very strongly felt to us also in the newsroom, and we could clearly tell that when it was 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon when the tremors were felt, most of the people went out of the residence and the places they were exactly where they went out, but no casualties reported. 1:30 p.m. is the time. 5.0 is the magnitude. Epicenter Kulna region in Bangladesh. Majorly places where tremors felt is the South Bengal, mostly the districts in the south of the West Bengal state. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harsha. Thank you so much for getting us all of these details. Stay safe. Let's move on to another story. A massive fire broke out in a timber factory in Yola town of Nashik district late last night in Maharashtra. All workers were rescued from the factory and no injuries were fortunately reported in the incident. Fire tenders are present at the spot.